Welcome back. So, in this chapter, we are going to see how to refine the blocking which we created in a previous session. So, first thing, we need to have an understanding about how the muscle flow and how the wrinkle flow of a face need to be. In the previous video, we have seen how to do the blocking for the head using a reference image. Move the vertex to the nose bridge area. Refine the shape of the geometry by moving the vertices. Insert a segment and align the vertex of the segment as shown. Insert a segment at the forehead area which runs down to the chin and refine the shape. Insert a segment between the forehead and the nose bridge and refine the shape. Insert 2 to 3 segments vertically on the forehead and start refining the shapes. Insert a segment behind the head running down to the neck. The segment should be evenly distributed on the surface. Add segments in case you find the segments are too wide. and start refining the shapes. Insert the segment to define the lips and start refining the shapes. Push back the vertex or the edges in the eye area to create space for the eye socket. Add more segment in the neck area and on areas where you find the segments are less. In the next video, we are going to see how to shape the lip area and how to add features for it.